Hurricane Harvey is obviously very severe based on all the news we've seen. It's much too early to give any numbers or any sense of size other than very, very big or huge. I think what probably hasn't really been thought through is how long this will last. Not just the storm, that's the weather forecasting, but the impact. I think some people would think this is over in a month or at the end of the year, and I think those dates are much, much too soon. The devastation has been incredible, and the recovery is going to be measured in years, not weeks or months.